What is full moon meditation? Let's divide both the terms, full moon and the meditation. You all know the meaning of meditation. You might know the meaning of full moon. Full moon in Hindi we call Purnima, right? So this Purnima comes 12 times in a calendar year. So when you meditate on a Purnima, when you meditate on a full moon day, that's what we call full moon meditation. Now the question is, why is meditation on this particular day is so important? Why are we talking about it? Well, first of all, let's observe certain things that happens around us during that full moon day. You might be knowing about the high tides and the changes on the seashore that happens especially around that full moon time. You might have also heard the emotional turbulences that people go through, especially the mentally retarded kids or people who are going through the emotional challenges. The emotions are very erratic during that moment. Why is it so? It is so because the energy coming from the moon is very strong during this period. So if we meditate in this period, even our meditation can be very powerful. Let me try to explain what is the power of meditation. To explain this power of meditation, we have already seen what is aura, how does it work. Now let's try to understand with a big aura what can we do. So let's talk about our Prime Minister. If Prime Minister of this country decides that the number of flyovers should double in next 10 years, something can happen, right? But if an ordinary person on the street takes the same decision that the number of flyovers should become double in next 10 years, whose decision you think will have an impact on the country? Yeah, I'm sure you all know the answer. What is the difference? The difference is that the Prime Minister has got that power to implement that. Same thing happens when we meditate and when we bless. Well, we all bless people around us. We bless for their well-being. But after meditation, when you start blessing, it has got tremendous power because you have more power in your energy body. So normally when you meditate and bless, it has power. Another angle to increase power is when 7 or more people meditate at the same place. The energy that they generate is equal to 100 people meditating at different places, right? So think of the energy that when a lot of people meditate together as a group, it has got tremendous downpour of energy. It is much more powerful. Now when you add the power of full moon, yes, so more people meditating on that full moon, it becomes even more powerful. So if you want to energize your goals, your targets, if you want to bless your family, your friends, your businesses, I think participating in a full moon meditation makes a lot of sense. So we invite you all to experience this beautiful event called Full Moon Meditation at Aakar Pranic Healing Center. Thank you.